Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Synergy. First, download the Synergy software from its official website onto all computers you wish to connect. Ensure all devices are on the same local network. This easy method focuses on using the graphical user interface for a quick setup, avoiding complex command line configurations. It's perfect for home or small office environments. On the computer where your primary mouse and keyboard are connected, open Synergy and choose the server option. This machine will broadcast its input to other computers. You'll see an IP address displayed. Make sure to write this down, as client machines will need it to connect. This step is crucial for establishing the central control point for your setup. Now, on each additional computer, install and open Synergy, then select Client. You'll be prompted to enter the IP address of your server computer. Input the address you noted earlier. After connecting, return to your server's Synergy application to visually arrange your screens. Drag and drop the client screens to match their physical layout, ensuring smooth transitions. With all settings configured, click Start on both your server and client Synergy applications. You should now be able to seamlessly move your mouse cursor from one computer screen to another, controlling each with a single keyboard and mouse. If you encounter any issues, double-check IP addresses and firewall settings. For more details and other great deals, including the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the description below. Enjoy your streamlined workspace.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.